Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another set of nails, and we're coming in with the blues today. Where we're using my Nail Genie practice hand, and I've put some tips on that was from GLITTERBELS, the extreme stiletto tips, and I did put a clear layer down. Just if you want to see how I actually attached my tips to my fake hands, then I have got a video, and if I remember I will put a link down below or a card up top. But I'm not too sure if I remember because I'm hopeless with stuff like that. The first colour we're coming in with is Igloo from Tia's Beauty. I don't know why I was going to say Tiffany's Beauty then, but it's Tia's Beauty. And if you're not aware, I am actually a brand ambassador for Tia's Beauty, and you can get a 10% discount code. I do also have other discount codes that will always be linked in my description box. I've got them from SBD London, GLITTERBELS, Glitter Planet, and there might even be a few extra in there that I just can't think offhand. So if you want a deal, then please feel free to go and use those codes and save yourself a few pennies. Like I said, we are just going to put this down on every single nail. I wish I kind of should have sped this up really, because it can get a bit boring watching the same colour going down, but as you can see, this colour is beautiful. It's such a stunning pastel blue, very pale but so pigmented, and I'm just laying this down very thin, as you can see, and it's just not sheer at all. It's such a good pastel colour, and pastel colours are very hard to do in acrylics as well as in gel polish as well, but this really does give you that nice solid colour you're looking for. So if you've not tried Tia's Beauty's acrylics, you really should do, because they are really good and they're really cheap and they look pretty as well. And once we've completed that, we're then going to cap the middle finger and the pointy finger in crystal clear. I'm capping these two first, as we're going to be using some glitter on the others, and I didn't want any cross-contamination and getting any glitter in my monomer or brush, so because I wanted these a solid blue colour. So that's a top tip. If you are using glitter and you want a solid colour, please do the solid colours first, because this will help prevent not have any glitter in your nail. Jeez, I cannot get my words out this morning whatsoever. Yeah, and this is where you'll put your structure in. I do actually put the acrylic on so thinly, the coloured acrylic. I do put on quite a bit of the clay, just because that's where the structure is, and you want to do your apex in the back. And with these being fairly long nails, if there was on a normal person, the apex would be much bigger than what I'm doing here, but as it's on a fake hand, I don't see the point in wasting any products, but I do still like to put that bit of an apex in. Then we're going to come in with that glitter. This is Opal Dream, and oh my gosh, this is so stunning. Every time I use a glitter from Tia's Beauty, it never ever fails me. It's so gorgeous, and every time I use it, I'm like admiring it. Why have I not used this? Why have I not used that? And even though when I have used it, why have I not used it for so long? But honest God, they are such stunning acrylic glitters. If you don't try the colours, definitely try the glitters, because they're just amazing. And we're basically just going to put these on the other three nails that we didn't cap, and we're just going to be doing a glitter fade as such in them. You can really see the glitter on the thumb one. It's just so nice. Sorry about my head though, guys. And once we have happy and got that done, we did cap them and file them, all of the nails actually, which I've obviously not filmed. We're coming in with some White Knight stamping polish from SBD London, and then a Yours a Yours stamping plate. I think this one was from Fee. And I don't want to cover the whole nail in this. I want to just cover the bottom half, whether it be 3/4. I wasn't that fussed of how far it came up or how low it went. I just wanted it so much on it. I love this design. This is one of my favourite most used plates. So I thought, you know what, I don't feel like I've done a video on using this plate before, so I thought let's give it a go. As you can see, this hand does have a tendency to do that, and that's why I don't show it on the filing, when I'm doing the filing on here, sorry. Then this plate I actually haven't ever used, and I've seen it. I was supposed to try and find that other plate, and I thought, you know what, let's have a go. As you all know, I'm rubbish at marble nails, so let's have a go. This is the plate I'm using, by the way, and this is the colour I'm using, which is Deep Ocean. I don't know why. I just ended up repeating that. I know why, because I'm doing the next nail, I'm guessing. This is silly me. So we're just doing that on these two nails, and I was pleasantly surprised actually, but I didn't want to leave it just with that, so I came in again with White Knight to add some white into this nail. To be fair, it kind of gave me a bit of a camouflage kind of vibe rather than a marble vibe. I don't know, what do you guys think? Maybe it's the colours I chose, because I just don't know whether it gives marble or camouflage to me. I can't work it out, but definitely a vibe of both, I think. And this stamping utensil I'm using, I can't remember what they're called. Let's see, my brain is just not working. I actually got it from a beauty show some time ago, and it's so good. It's really good. And then we're going to come in with the tempering top coat, and we're going to top coat all of those nails. So this is where I feel like it looks camouflagey, that stamping. So I really would like your opinion on what you all think. Does it look marble to you, or does it look more like a camouflage? I do know. I do know. I feel like it's more camouflage. And this, just look at that glitter. I know it's blurry. The camera just was not focusing very well, but that glitter. And then we're going to come in with some spider gel from SBD London. This is the best spider gel I have. I have a few, but this brand is just amazing. I'm not the best at spider gel because I very rarely use it, but it is really, really, really good spider gel. And as you can see, just doing it on this fake hand, and that's why I didn't want that stamping all the way to the tip, because I knew I wanted to add this spider gel on those fingers with the glitter fades. I feel like this one was a bit better. I'm obviously getting better at doing it at this time. It did come out better on the thumb than any of the other fingernails, so but hey ho. And then we are going to cure that, and then this is the nails. So I hope so once we've cured that, we're going to then use this Rosalind top gel adhesive and some SBD London top coat again, and then I apply some gems. Unfortunately my camera died, and then for some reason my memory got filled, but these are just the gems I used from AliExpress, and some inexpensive gems, and again with my big head, but I just literally put 5 gems down. Now this is a finished nails. So I hope you enjoyed this video, please comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.